Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Cecilia Karimi Homestead. So today we are going to prepare a cake using a pressure cooker. Hope you'll enjoy the video, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you so much guys.
In today's video, I'll show you how to make delicious homemade cake using a pressure cooker. We start by adding 2 spoons of margarine and 3 spoons of sugar into a bowl and mix until creamy. Next, we add 2 eggs and mix it well. Then we add warm milk, half a cup warm milk. Then we mix it. So once we are done mixing, in a separate bowl, put the flour and add the yeast or maybe baking powder and combine the dry ingredients before gradually adding them to the wet mixture. Stir until you get a smooth lump-free batter. So now the cake batter is ready. So we prepare our cooking pot by lightly greasing it with oil. Then dust it with a pinch of flour to prevent sticking. Pour in the cake batter into the pot, then place the pot inside the pressure cooker and bake for 50 minutes until the cake is perfectly cooked. After 50 minutes, the cake is finally cooked. Don't worry if the top of the cake is still white. That's completely normal when baking in a pressure cooker. The most important thing is that the cake is fully cooked inside. If you prefer golden brown top, simply turn the cake over for a few minutes until it reaches your desired color. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe.